Welcome to the lecture number 29, dear students. Prove that cos square theta into 1 plus tan square theta is equal to 1. Now you may think it's a very simple sum. And you are also correct in one way, because you will find 1 plus tan square theta is an identity. 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta. Sec square theta is 1 upon cos square theta. Cos square theta will get cancelled. You will get right hand side as 1. You are absolutely correct. But you know, sometimes we do have to think the weightage, because this sum will be asked in board examination. Naturally, it will carry 2 marks. And for the weightage of 2 marks, at least there should be a 4 steps. So from that point of view, I am not going to apply identity straight away. So cos square theta, I'll open the bracket. Cos square theta into 1 plus cos square theta into tan square theta. Cos square theta into 1, cos square theta into tan square. Now this cos square theta as it is, plus this cos square theta is also as it is, plus tan square theta I am going to replace it as sin square theta upon cos square theta. Cos square theta as it is, tan square theta I have written it as sin square theta. So cos square theta cancel, and we left with cos square theta plus sin square theta. Since you all know the basic identity, or I would say first identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is always 1. So you will get here is equal to 1, and that is equal to RHS. So here you must change it as a reason. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So this is how you will find I finished the second question of question number 6. Now third question, page number 132. Third one, prove that prove that 1 minus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus sin theta, 1 plus sin theta is equal to sec theta minus tan theta, is equal to sec theta minus tan theta. Now you will find this sum different scholars solve by different ways. Even by squaring both sides you can solve it, or you will also solve it by multiplying and dividing it by 1 minus sin theta. Or there are many methods as I stated earlier, but generally most of the students solve it by multiplying and dividing it by 1 minus sin theta. So I am also going to do by the same method. So we can say over here that LHS is equal to 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus sin theta. I am going to multiply and divide by 1 minus sin theta. 1 minus sin theta here. Here also 1 minus sin theta. So multiplying and dividing by 1 minus sin theta. If we multiply and divide by 1 minus sin theta, you will find here also 1 minus sin theta, here also 1 minus sin theta. So 1 minus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta will give you 1 minus sin theta bracket square. And in the denominator I am getting as 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta. So that is equal to. I'll continue the same. 1 minus sin theta as it is, bracket square, but a plus b, a minus b, same terms here, only with the negative and positive sign. So a square minus b square, that is a square, means 1 square is 1 only. So a square minus b square, that is 1 minus sin square theta. 1 minus sin square. Try to understand a plus b, a minus b. So 1 minus sin square theta. If it is 1 minus sin square theta, you all know the first identity are sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta, very important. So you can say here is equal to 1 minus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta, bracket square, upon cos square theta. I'll mention over here the identity sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Therefore, 1 minus sin square theta sin square theta is cos. Right? Now, this is a square bracket. Dear students, square is here. So, you will find square root of square is only this bracket, 1 minus sin theta. So 1 minus sin theta. Upon square root of cos square theta is only cos theta. 1 minus sin theta. Square root of 1 minus sin theta bracket square. Square root of cos square theta is cos theta. Now this is very important step to understand. If I write, for example, a plus b upon b, this is nothing but a upon b plus b upon b. Very important. When denominators are same, what we do? We add the numerators and we take the common denominators. But if there is single denominator and there is an addition or subtraction of two terms, we can use it individually. That is what I am going to do over here. Since we will find a upon b plus b upon b are written for this a plus b upon b. In the same way, I am going to write it as 1 upon cos theta minus sin theta upon cos theta. I have not changed the sum at all because you will find common denominator. This is a form of this only. Then we will get 1 upon cos theta. Since you all know 1 upon cos theta is nothing but sec theta. Sin theta upon cos theta is tan theta. And that is equal to RHS. So this is how you will get here. If I multiply, divide by 1 minus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta bracket square, 1 plus sin theta a square minus b square. So here you will find 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta. Square root of it is cos theta. Split them. Then you will get right hand side. So this is how you will find I finished third question of this one. Now let's do fourth question. Fourth question of this is sec theta minus cos theta. Fine. Fourth one, sec theta minus cos theta into cot theta plus sin theta. Cot theta plus tan theta. Okay, now please see here. Fourth one, sec theta minus cos theta. Sec theta minus cos theta into second bracket cot theta plus tan theta. That is equal to tan theta into sec theta. Okay. Now see here, dear students. Let's solve the left hand side. LHS is equal to sec theta minus cos theta. Cot theta plus tan theta. Cot theta plus tan theta. Now I would like to tell you, it's a general way of solving this type of sums, that whenever you will get the trigonometric ratios in the terms of cot, tan, sec, always try to convert them into the basic ratio. Basic ratios are what? Sin, cos and tan. So sec theta, I'll write it as 1 upon cos theta. Sec theta, I'll write it as 1 upon cos theta minus cos theta, which is already in the basic trigonometric ratio. Cot theta is cos theta upon sin theta. So cot theta is cos theta upon sin theta. Tan theta. Tan theta is sin theta upon cos theta. Sin theta upon cos theta. Try to understand once again. I would like to tell you that whenever we get the trigonometric ratios in terms of sec, cot and tan, I convert it as 1 upon cos. I converted this cot as cos upon sin and tan as sin upon cos. Let's simplify. 1 into 1 is 1. 1 into 1 is 1. Cos theta into cos theta is cos square theta. Cos theta into cos theta is cos square theta. Upon cos theta into 1 is cos theta. Here also we'll do cross multiplication. Cos theta into cos theta is cos square theta plus sin theta into sin theta is sin square theta divided by sin theta into cos theta. Sin theta into cos theta. Okay, now we are going to use identity 1. What is our identity? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Now this identity here I use cos square theta plus sin square theta 1. 1 minus cos square theta here. If I transfer on right hand side, sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Try to understand, dear students. This is our first identity I am going to use over here. So 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta. So that is equal to sin square theta upon cos theta. Second bracket, cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1 upon sin theta into cos theta. Sin theta into cos. I have used the first identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta. And then you will find, to get the right hand side, tan theta. To get the right hand side, tan theta into sec theta. Now please try to understand, I am going to split sin square theta as sin theta upon cos theta into sin theta upon sin theta into cos theta. Sin theta into cos theta. Once again, sin square theta I split it as sin theta into sin theta. Sign of multiplication is there, so no problem at all. So you will find now sin upon cos is tan. Sin upon cos is tan, and this sin and sin will get cancelled, and I'll get it as 1 upon cos theta. So last step is tan theta into 1 upon cos. But what is 1 upon cos? We all know 1 upon cos is nothing but sec. So that is equal to R and S. Very important that sec theta, cot theta, tan theta, I converted them into the basic ratios, sin and cos. And then I simplified the brackets and I got the answer. The next question. The next question is 5. In fifth question, dear students, cot theta plus tan theta. Cot theta plus tan theta is equal to cosec theta into sec theta. Same way. What we will try to do? We will try to convert them into the basic ratios. We will try to convert them into basic ratios. Question number 5. Prove that cot theta plus tan theta is equal to cosec theta into sec theta. Okay. Now same way, dear students, same way, converting cot, tan into basic ratios sin and cos. So we will find LHS is equal to cot theta plus tan theta. I am going to convert cot theta as cos theta upon sin theta. So cos theta upon sin theta. While I will convert this tan theta as sin theta upon cos theta. Sin theta upon cos theta. Next step is cross multiplication. Cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta. Cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta plus same sign, sin theta into sin theta, sin square theta. Whole divided by sin theta into cos theta. Sin theta into cos. Cos square theta, sin square theta upon sin theta, cos theta. First identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. 1 upon sin theta into cos theta. 1 upon sin theta into cos theta. Now please try to understand the next step, which is more important. To take this as 1 upon sin theta into 1 upon cos theta. 1 ones are 1, sin theta into cos theta. To write this or to write this is one and the same. 1 upon sin theta. What is 1 upon sin theta? Cosec theta. 1 upon cos theta. What is 1 upon cos theta? Sec theta. And this is nothing but RHS. So very important to note, you must have to give reason sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. That is 1. As well as convert this sin and cos. Cot as cos and sin, tan as sin upon cos. Next one, sixth one. Sixth one is a little bit tricky one. Sixth one is a little bit tricky one. We are going to solve it in some little bit different way. Sixth one, prove that prove that 1 upon sec theta minus tan theta. 1 upon sec theta minus tan theta is equal to sec theta plus tan theta. Sec theta plus tan theta. Okay. Now you may think in this way that converting as usual into sin and cos. Yes, you are correct. But sometimes may we use a different method also. So here you will find LHS. LHS is equal to 1 upon sec theta minus tan theta. Now if I focus on right hand side, I notice I want sec theta plus tan theta. If I want sec theta plus tan theta in the numerator, I prefer to multiply and divide this by sec theta plus tan theta upon sec theta plus tan theta. You know the basic theory of maths. If we multiply and divide by same number, we are not changing anything because value of that is 1 only. So you will find is multiplying and dividing. You can say multiply and divide by sec theta plus tan theta. Now please try to understand, dear students. 1 into sec theta plus tan theta. Multiplication of numerators. That will give us sec theta plus tan theta. Sec theta plus tan theta. Upon sec theta plus tan theta. Sec theta minus tan theta. Sec theta minus tan theta. Second bracket. Sec theta plus tan theta. Sec theta plus tan. Multiplication of numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. Now, numerator sec theta plus tan theta. Sec theta plus tan theta. While denominator a minus b, a plus b. A minus b, a plus b is a square minus b square. Sec square theta minus tan square. Here we obtain sec theta minus tan theta, sec theta plus tan theta. A minus b, a plus b is a square minus b square. Now identity. We know the identity well. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Same as to say 1 is equal to sec square theta minus tan square theta. Our second identity, 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta. 1 is equal to sec square theta minus tan square theta. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1. So we'll get here. Sec theta plus tan theta. No need of writing 1 because anything upon 1 is 1. But that is equal to RHS. So this is how you will find. We proved 1 upon sec theta minus tan theta is sec theta plus tan theta. Next sum. There is a correction, dear students. Please in your textbook also make this correction. It is given sec raised to 4 theta. That is wrong. That is wrong. Instead of that, you have to take it as sin raised to 4 theta. There is a correction in the sum number 7. It is not sec raised to 4 theta. You have to take it as sin raised to 4 theta. Sin raised to 4. So question number 7. Sin raised to 4 theta minus cos raised to 4 theta, that is equal to 1 minus 2 cos square theta. 1 minus 2 cos square theta. Okay? Prove that. LHS. LHS is equal to sin raised to 4 theta minus cos raised to 4 theta. Sin raised to 4 theta minus cos raised to 4 theta. These are squares of sin square theta and cos square theta. So I'll write it as sin square theta, the whole square, minus cos square theta, the whole square. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. Now this is our A, this is our B. A square minus B square. A square minus B square is A plus B sin square theta plus cos square theta. And A square minus B square sin square theta minus cos square. A square minus B square, A plus B, A minus B. Sin square theta plus cos square theta. First identity. 1. Sin square theta minus cos square. Sin square theta minus cos square theta. Please don't forget to mention. We use the first identity, sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Please don't forget to mention the identity used. So sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. We left with sine square theta minus cos square theta. Sine square theta minus cos square theta. Now please try to understand. If we focus on right hand side, then you will notice there is only cos square theta. There is no other trigonometric ratios. But keeping this in mind, we have to convert sine square theta in terms of cos square theta. Keeping in mind on right hand side there is only cos square theta. So I am going to convert sine square theta as cos square theta by using same identity. So you will find here sine square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So for this I will write over here 1 minus cos square theta. This minus sine cos square theta as it is. I substitute for sine square theta as 1 minus cos square theta. Minus cos square theta minus cos square theta, if we add, we'll get 1 minus 2 cos square theta. 2 cos square theta, and that is equal to RHS. So this is how you will find, dear students. Here we finished question number 7. Correction is there. In textbook it is given sec raised to 4 theta. That is wrong. You have to take it as sin raised to 4 theta. Okay. I'll end this lecture over here. I'll see you in the next lecture, that is lecture number 30. Thank you.